Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with Craspire project share, you guys. Oh my goodness. So you guys, I had so much fun with these, and I did do the frames with the ice cream cones and the luggage, the pull luggage, the 3D. You guys, these are amazing. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. So for the card, I did make this right here. This is a card that I made, and of course I just did a die cuts. The inner frame will also die cut in the middle, you guys, but you guys could also do so many, oh my goodness, so many like 3D effects on it. Oh my goodness, or pop it up in different ways. So here's the cone, and I did die cut this one out of foam, so I thought that would look so cute and made it so much more realistic. And then I put the little sherry on top right there, and I did make it into a shaker because it is like a little shaker, you guys. So isn't that cute? So I did layer upon layer, and that's what this one looks like. And of course here are the dies. And for the luggage one, you guys, okay, so it was fun to make, and let me go ahead and show you guys how I went about doing that. So of course when you die cut this, you're gonna get one. You're supposed to die cut two. You have this extra piece. You can either cut this out because this is an extra piece, or cut this one on the side. It's up to you, but you do make sure you do the same thing on both sides because you are cutting both of them. So okay, you can't really put it together like this, or yes you can. Sorry you guys. So you can put it like this, together like this. So cutting this out will actually, I wanted to cut it out in front of you guys. I did distress this. This is just an example one. So when you guys put it together, make sure you guys are making sure that the facing is up on both sides. So I did do all my piecing of stuff together already, so that way I cut down on time. And so all you have to do is just glue that together and glue this together like that and put it together, and there you go. Okay, so what you do on this side, you got to do it on this side, right? So you have this extra flip right here, and all you're gonna have to do is do the same thing. Oh, sorry, it does have to dry, you guys, so I did not allow it to dry. And let me see. Oh, sorry again. Make sure it's on there okay. Like I said, I did not allow it to dry, so make sure you put it on there. So now it's good. So what you did on this side, you got to do on this side, like I said. Do the glue part right here, and glue it right here, and there you go. Oh. Somehow my glue doesn't want to work when you're doing a tutorial, guys. So there you go. This is the box. Okay, so this is going to go inside, this is going to go inside, and glue that part. I will leave this part open, okay, because if you want to put stuff in here, you know, you could do that. So all you do is do that. Oops, sorry. Do that right here, and then you have this pull part. This pull part right here, and I did die cut that. So I did do that pull right here. It's right here. I did do a 3-layer on there, so you do have to die cut that a few layers. So this one, you guys, I had to come up with this one because I didn't want my item to pull out. As you guys can see, it pulls out. So what I did, I just did like let me see, it was about a little over a 3 3/4, and I scored it at one each side right here, and I just went and did a little kind of like a band, so when you pull it, it's gonna pull like this. So what you do right here, I did glue this together. This is what I did. So when you glue it right there, you're gonna glue it like this, and you're gonna be able to pull this out. Sorry you guys, of course it's not glued, so you're gonna be able to pull it out, as you guys can see. And all you do is put your wheels and decorate your little luggage. So let me go ahead and show you my final project on that. And this is what it looks like. This is one of my final projects. Here are the wheels, and I already put the accessories around it, and as you guys could see, okay, so that's how I did that. And then I did put like a little band right here, so it all has to do is go in here, and there you go. And then I also created this one right here. This is what it looks like. Isn't that cute, you guys? Oh my goodness, look at this. And then I did I did decorate this a little bit more. So this is what they ended up coming out to, and isn't that cute? So I did go crazy making these, like, oh my goodness, I love making these amazing project. And of course, you guys, if you guys are interested in ordering these, I will link everything down in the description that I got from Craspire. You guys, if you guys use the Creative 5, you guys get a $5 off every $40 purchase. Again, it is from Craspire, so you guys go over, check them out. And like I said, I will link everything down in the description. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.